Welcome to the world of industrial precision, where raw timber begins its transformation into massive corrugated carton boxes. It starts with raw power. Mechanical claws lift enormous logs, placing them with exact control into the first stage. The bark is stripped away in seconds. Clean wood is revealed, ready for processing. Inside the chipper, steel blades spin with perfect precision. Solid logs are instantly reduced into uniform wood chips. The chips flow like a continuous stream, moving across conveyors toward the next phase. Now, heat and chemistry take over. Inside massive digesters, pressure and chemicals break down the wood structure. Lignin dissolves, releasing strong cellulose fibers. The solid wood becomes a thick, flowing pulp. The mixture is washed, filtered, and refined. Impurities are removed to ensure consistency and strength. Color begins to change, from natural brown to a clean, controlled pulp base. This pulp will not become soft tissue, but something far stronger. High-pressure systems adjust the fiber density. Every parameter is controlled for durability and structure. Now the transformation continues. The pulp is formed into thick kraft paper sheets. Water is removed rapidly. Glue bonds the flat liner to the corrugated core. Under pressure, the layers combine, forming rigid corrugated board. More layers can be added, increasing thickness and load capacity. The board moves forward in perfect alignment. Cutting systems shape it into exact dimensions. Scoring lines are pressed into the surface. These lines guide the folds with precision. Now, flat sheets begin to transform. Folding arms move in perfect synchronization. Each panel bends cleanly into position. Adhesive is applied with accuracy. Edges are sealed to form complete box structures. The result is immediate, from flat board to fully formed cartons. printing systems add markings and designs. Every detail is sharp, clean, and consistent. Finished boxes move along the line, each one identical, perfectly aligned. Sensors scan for quality. Only flawless cartons continue forward. Robotic systems take over. Boxes are stacked with geometric precision. Layer by layer, pallets are built perfectly stable. The scale becomes clear. Thousands of cartons, produced with exact consistency. Finally, pallets move toward shipping. Automated systems guide them without error, from raw wood to engineered strength. This is the journey of modern carton manufacturing, a process driven by precision, powered by scale, and perfected by technology.